Welcome to another Tutorial Tuesday. Today we'll be making a wooden wind chime. For this craft, you're going to need some wooden beads, a pair of scissors, some braiding cord, a wooden floral ring, and some twine as well. For this project, I'm going to continue adding beads to a wooden wind chime I've already started. So, first thing we'll have to do is we're going to cut off our desired length of braiding cord. I've been doing various lengths for our wind chime. You can do the same length for all of your wind chimes, whichever you prefer. I'm going to do a somewhat shorter one though. I'm going to take one of the larger beads, I'm going to thread that braiding cord through, and then I'm going to bring the cord up and tie a knot. Okay. Once you have all of your beads strung on, we're going to bring over our floral ring. I'm going to actually flip it upside down, and to ensure that it stays in place, I'm going to hot glue the string on. And I'm going to use a pair of scissors just to help push the string down to the glue. You can add as many beads on here as you'd like. You can also add other types of wood and any kind of ornament that you would like to add on here to add some soothing noise to your wind chimes. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out our channel to see other craft videos like this. See you next time.